Have this organized as a workspace, and then from there everything else will come. So my role for the day is to organize this stuff, and that's it. How can we be efficient and how can we be good if we're not prepared, if we're not ready? For stuff is all over the place. The answer is we can't be. We cannot be any form of efficient if we have over the place. Crucial. It's crucial. It's hot in there.
I'm tired just from doing all this.
It's mental tiredness.
I haven't started work.
I know.
Where do you want me to go? You want me to help you or?
Yeah, I think so, because your input would be good in this.
You guys want fries? I have fries.
I'm okay.
I
might send Ryan to. Huh?
What happened about Mauricio?
I think he's upstairs painting.
Are you still here?
Yeah. Oh. No, because I asked him to help me take out all the stuff, and then I said, go paint. Go paint. 28 opening?
It's fine.
As long as it's halfway here, and then the back full, I think it'll be okay. Here, there's one more thing that's big. So we've just finished day one of trying to rearrange the trailer. Simrad's done a good job at finding a way to fit everything in. This is, for the most part, almost all of our tools, and it already feels way more spacious. So I'm looking forward to getting it wrapped up, putting another shelf, running some wires for the chargers, and probably a vent because it gets pretty hot in there. We'll see what happens over the next day or two. Boom. So it's just like a white. But I'm pretty sure like the doors, you can tell that they're on there.
Yeah, like you just kind of.
Huh?
Not here?
No. Not right now anyway. Still good. I'm just gonna wash this, reuse it. Yeah, the closets haven't been done and this laundry hasn't been done. So I'm washing my paintbrush. I'm just gonna let you guys know what's going on today. We're gonna be cutting and rolling the main floor. All the paint, we're gonna aim to get at least one coat on the entire place done. Second floor is mostly done, so we're just gonna try to catch up today to get ready for some stairs and flooring to come in over the next couple of days. Countertops, we've got some samples there, and we're just, you know, trying to wrap it up and bring this project together. So over the next week, all of us are gonna be here. You'll see all of our faces working to get this project done. And here we are again, washing the brushes, and we did it. We got one coat of paint everywhere. So now we'll do some of the other things that need to happen. Stairs, flooring, we'll get it all done, and at the end of the week we'll do final coat and be finished up with this project. That's what's up.